Hello, Mrs. Tomlinson here, and today I was going to talk to you about the logo design project and kind of show you how you can work at your own pace, the day breaks, and how it kind of breaks down the projects and where everything is for this project, and kind of how I'm approaching it because I'm also designing a logo as well. So you can find this under week 2, logo design, and we're in week 3 right now, but if you still want to do the logo design for week 2, that's awesome. I think that's absolutely wonderful. I would also love to have some really strong designs that I could actually submit to the Art Educators of Iowa. And you guys are awesome designers, so I know I could take a bunch of yours and submit them if you guys want to try this project. So the goal for this is to design a logo, here we are, for the Art Educators of Iowa Fall Conference. And you want to communicate integration and collaboration in Iowa. So every year, the Art Educators of Iowa, which is like a teacher's professional development organization, they have this huge conference. And this logo is put on t-shirts and the program and bags and all sorts of things. It's also used for all the promotional material. So that's what we're asking you to design, a logo for this year's conference. So you can break down how to start this project. You can see right here, there's a slideshow right down here, and you can follow along. So everything that I'm going to open up in this project outline right here is right here in this really nice slideshow that Mrs. Hernandez created. So I've kind of tweaked it for our class because her class is doing the same project in visual arts. So you can start here, you can watch videos about logo design, you can read articles, you can watch a video about a designer and all that stuff to kind of get you starting. So your first step is to think about, you want to do some research and you want to kind of think about how you can generate your original ideas. When you do this, you need to keep the 5 principles of logo design in mind as you make your artwork. Your design needs to be simple. A lot of times we do too many details in a logo. Logos are simple. When you go through the slideshow, you'll see like the Nike logo, all these different logos. They're simple. Think about that. Don't even think about color right away. If you do use color, it needs to be really intentional and meaningful. It needs to be scalable, so it could go really big, really small, and it needs to look good in black and white for sure. And you want it to be memorable and timeless. So kind of think of things that are more like classic and classy and don't kind of get outdated. All right. So let's move to the artistic process. You're generating your original ideas. So what I did for this project is, here I'm going to show you how I kind of started my sketches right here. I did about 12 different sketches. There's backsides of sketches too. And right here, I made a list of what I thought innovation means and what I thought collaboration means. Some of my words for innovation was new. I thought of growth. I thought of a seed or a sprout. That's kind of imagery that came to my mind. I thought of advanced, advancing, development, plans. Then I kind of thought about this blueprint idea, and I might visit that too. I thought, how could I make this logo into like a blueprint? Arrow, moving ahead and forward. So I kind of went to that. And then collaboration, I thought about the words together, gears, wheels, spokes, gears because they all have to work together to move and function. But the logo design that for right now that I'm going to go with and kind of show you guys is right here. This one that says innovation and collaboration. I liked it because like the ATION is the same in both words. So it like comes together. And then I feel like it's kind of like this arrow shape, which means like moving forward and moving in a direction. So that's kind of what I thought about. I liked these other kind of signs, but I thought this is kind of like more of like a seed growing for growth. But then I just kind of decided to go with this one for now. Maybe I'll do another one later and show you that one too. So that's my idea. So now after I do that, and I kind of thought about my stuff, I made my sketch, my thumbnails. I did about 12 thumbnails. Oh, sorry guys. There's my dog. I did 12 thumbnails. I only recommend 3, but you should definitely do more. So then I want you to give me feedback. So you should all be kind of at this step, hopefully maybe today or tomorrow. If you haven't tackled this project, share your ideas with me. Let me give you feedback on your wonderful things, okay? And what you're doing. I'd love to see that. So I'm going to stop here, and my next video will be how to digitize a logo.